Absolutely. And you talk about these great restaurants. Do you guys have like a main spot you go to, or do you just try new things every time?
Where do I go? So there's so many that I can go to somewhere different all the time. North Third in Northern Liberties. I love. They know me. They know my name. I go in. I love their food. I love their drinks. So that's like a really nice, easy spot. I also love Loco Pez. They have dollar taco night, but it's secret. So like you don't know it until they put it on Twitter, and then you can run there. So it's delicious. Love Loco Pez. Cedar Point, Interstate Draft. I love Interstate. They have great specials, and their Fishtown iced tea is amazing. It's literally like a Long Island iced tea, but it's in like this plastic box thing. If you ever come, you have to try it. Murph's, which is an Irish bar that has fantastic Italian food, like you wouldn't think this little Irish dive bar has the most amazing Italian food in the city. There's Chew and Stock. Chew has this great Asian fusion Jewish food, so I can get like a bowl of ramen with like this braised pork shoulder in it. It's delicious. There's just so many. I could just list, and that's just in Fishtown. That's just within like a half-mile radius of my house. So again, it's really hard to be skinny in this town.